you are looking to own on the Gulf in Panama City Beach and be away from some of the traffic and congestion, you have to check out Surf Drive. I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, and today I have a fantastic opportunity right on the Gulf. Surf Drive is a quaint little two-lane street on the south side of Thomas Drive on the east side of Panama City Beach. What I'm going to show you today was only one of 10 Mediterranean-style units built. Each one is 5 bedrooms, 5 full baths, 1 bathroom for each bedroom, 3 levels, over 3,000 square feet, and a 2-car garage with a pool right on the Gulf. Let's take a look. Okay, let's start this tour just a bit different. I'm in the bathroom on the 2nd floor of the Gulf front bedroom. And I want to stress that how updated this entire unit is, all the way from flooring, paint, upgraded furniture, upgraded bathrooms. On this level we have 3 full bedrooms and 3 full baths. Let's take a look around. Alright, the upgrades continue downstairs. Here I am in the kitchen. You can see loaded with upgrades. There's a bedroom on the street side with its own bathroom and tons of space in the main room with a slider, steps out to your own private pool out to the beach. Upstairs on the top floor, it's all about privacy. Another bedroom, private bathroom, and a wet bar. Okay, a few other things you should know. First of all, these 10 units, very few of them have their own private Gulf front pool. And 2-car garage, remember, so you can park your car, store it safely, securely. And maybe the most important thing to know about this section of beach, it's very, very deep. And there's not a lot of density around this section of beach, so you can spread out, relax, not have a lot of crowds. Remember, 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, over 3,000 square feet, Gulf front pool, upgraded 2-car garage, quiet street. If you want to see this in person or get some more information, give me a call, shoot me a text, 850-290-0417. I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Thanks for watching.